Imagine a world without neon. No glowing signs, no vibrant lasers, no colorful TVs. Sounds unimaginable, right? But neon, this seemingly ordinary gas, plays a crucial role in our modern lives. So, why is neon so valuable? Let's dive in. Neon's discovery. The story begins in 1898 when British chemists William Ramsay and Morris Travers were studying liquid air. They discovered a new gas that emitted a peculiar reddish-orange glow when electrified. They named it neon, after the Greek word neos, meaning new. Neon's unique properties. Neon's unique properties make it indispensable in various industries. Firstly, it's a noble gas, meaning it's extremely stable and unreactive. This stability is crucial for its applications. Secondly, when neon is subjected to an electrical current, it emits a bright, reddish-orange glow. This luminescence is what makes neon lights so iconic. Neon lights, the iconic glow. Neon lights have been a staple in urban landscapes for over a century. Their vibrant colors and eye-catching designs have captivated audiences worldwide. From iconic signs on Broadway to the neon-lit streets of Tokyo, neon lights have become synonymous with modernity and excitement. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, neon lights have practical applications as well. They are used in signage, advertising, and even as decorative elements in homes and businesses. Neon and technology. Neon's applications extend far beyond the realm of lighting. It is a vital component in various technological advancements. For example, neon is used in lasers, which have revolutionized fields such as medicine, manufacturing, and communication. Neon lasers are particularly useful in eye surgery, material processing, and optical data storage. Neon in electronics. In the electronics industry, neon is used in vacuum tubes, which were once essential components in radios, televisions, and computers. While transistors have largely replaced vacuum tubes, neon continues to be used in specialized applications, such as high-voltage rectifiers and voltage stabilizers. Neon scarcity. Despite its numerous applications, neon is a relatively scarce element on Earth. It's primarily extracted from natural gas wells, where it occurs in trace amounts. The extraction process is complex and energy-intensive, contributing to the high cost of neon. The future of neon. As technology continues to advance, the demand for neon is likely to increase. Scientists and engineers are exploring new ways to extract and utilize neon more efficiently. Additionally, researchers are investigating alternative materials that could potentially replace neon in certain applications. Neon, once a curious discovery in a laboratory, has become an essential element in our modern world. Its unique properties, including its stability and luminescence, make it indispensable in various industries, from lighting to technology. While the scarcity of neon poses challenges, ongoing research and development efforts aim to ensure its continued availability. So, the next time you see a neon sign or admire a laser show, remember the valuable gas that makes it all possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.